Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Rodriguez. This is your lesson for closed reading for Wednesday, April 15th. You're going to be working with describing cause and effect relationships. Your objective is students will describe cause and effect relationships between concepts presented in a text. The very first thing I want you to do today, boys and girls, is to read your story, Treasures in a Pine Cone. This will be your third read, so you should understand it a lot better. Okay, after you're done reading your informational text, I want you to review the anchor chart that I'm going to go over with you. Okay, this is a cause and effect anchor chart. The cause is right here. It says the reason why something happens. The effect is the result of what happened. Some key words help you find the cause and effect relationship. They are according to, if then, lead to, consequently, as a result, in order to, this caused, because, for this reason, resulting, so, since, this is why, and therefore. So when you're looking for a cause and effect and in your informational text, you're going to look for these key words to help you find the cause and effect. Okay, why, boys and girls? Well, good readers ask what happened and why did it happen. Here's an example. The sun was hot. So is your key word. My ice cream melted. So in this case, the cause and effect relationship would be the cause is the sun was hot. The effect would be that the ice cream melted. Okay, I want us to watch a short video on Brain Pop Jr. to explain cause and effect to you all. Okay, so let's watch.
I'm having a bad day. When I was walking to school, it started to rain. So I got soaking wet. I forgot my recorder at home. So I couldn't play in music class. In the cafeteria, my shoelaces got untied. I tripped and fell, and I spilled my lunch all over my shirt. What is cause and effect? A cause is why an event happens. The effect is the event that happens because of the cause. When I walked in the rain, I got wet. The cause is walking in the rain, and the effect is getting wet. I couldn't play in music class because I forgot my recorder. The cause is forgetting my recorder, and the effect is that I couldn't play in music class. Sometimes one event can cause a chain of events to happen. My shoelaces were untied, so I tripped and fell, which caused me to spill my lunch. One event can cause one event after another. Sometimes there are many causes to one event. Yesterday, Mia was late to school because she overslept. Then, she couldn't find her backpack, so she missed the bus. The effect was that Mia was late to school, but a few things caused Mia to be late to school. I guess everyone has bad days. How do you find causes and effects as you read? When you read, think about what happens and try to connect events and facts together. Look for special words that give clues about causes and effects. If, then, so that, since, because, due to, and as a result all give clues about causes and effects. Sometimes the author describes the effects before the causes, so it's a good idea to take notes as you read. Cool! This book is about hippopotamuses. Hippos live in areas of Africa that can get really hot. As a result, they spend a lot of time cooling off in rivers and lakes. Hippos can see and breathe while they're mostly underwater because their eyes, ears, and nose are high on their heads. Due to their large size, hippos can walk along the bottom of some rivers. To protect themselves from sunburn, hippos give off a red, oily sunscreen that covers their skin. That's why their skin looks pink sometimes. You can ask yourself questions to figure out causes and effects. What is one effect of the hippo's large size? They can walk on the bottom of rivers and lakes. What causes hippos to look pink? They give off a red, oily sunscreen that covers their skin. There are many causes of my bad day, and the effect is that I'm in a bad mood. I just want this day to be over. Let's go home, Moby.
Okay, so now that we go back to our form over here, boys and girls, you're going to tell me what is the cause. You can just look at your anchor chart. It tells you right here. So all you do is type it in. Then over here on the next question, what is effect? Again, go back to your anchor chart, and it tells you right there, effect, the result of what happened. Okay, the next thing that I want you to do here, you're going to focus on paragraph 5. You're going to read the paragraph and you're going to identify a cause and effect. Let me show you an example. When the weather becomes warm and dry, pine cones open. In a forest of pine trees on a hot day, you might even hear the crackling sound of cones popping open. The seeds inside may then fall to the ground. The wind may blow the seeds to places where they can grow into new pine trees. A seed has a better chance of taking root and growing when the weather is warm. Okay, if I look at the very first sentence there, I can see right there a cause and effect. The cause would be that the weather becomes warm and dry. And what happens because the weather is warm and dry? Pine cones open. So pine cone opens would be your effect. Okay, I want you to give it a try here, and I want you to write a cause and effect for the paragraph. There are at least 2 more in this paragraph. So here, all you would do is just write cause, and then type in the cause, and then effect, and then type in the effect. Okay, this is what a graphic organizer looks like for cause and effect. Okay, but in this case, you can't type over this graphic organizer, so I'm just going to have you type it here. All right. If you have any questions, boys and girls, just make sure and you message me. Okay. Good luck.